So guys, I will start by sewing the yoke line. Guys, just bear with me. I am very weak, but I have to do this voiceover. It is what it is. Anyway guys, first I had to sew the neckline. Trust me, this method is so, it comes out very clean and neat. So after sewing it, the next thing is to understitch it. This understitching gives me a very clean finishing by the time I'm done cutting off the excess allowance. So I'm going to go ahead and cut off the excess allowance. I trim it off, but you have to be careful so you don't trim your neckline. You know it's mesh, so you don't trim it. So here it is, looking all very clean. So I'm going to set this aside and start with the lining of the fabric. First I'm going to just baste this all around, or you pin it, anyone you feel like. If you want to baste it, you can baste it. If you want to pin it, you pin it here and there. So I'm just going to set this aside and go over to the lining, the bodies of the lining. So I have added all the notches, as you can see. Now I'm going to just close the center front using the notch I have made. Remember, this is I don't like all this neckline. It has a deep V neckline. Yes, so I'm just going to close. As you can see, by the time I take in the allowance, it would have that sharp V. Next is to add the boning allowance using the notches I showed you earlier on. I'm going to sew on this, along this edge. I like to always cut out using the same length with the first one that I made, so that's what I just did. So I'm going to sew on the two sides, and I'm going to just the same method. I will all the notches for my boning channels. I'll use the same method to sew them, and in this center front I'm going to just stitch on this in case I decide finally I'm going to add a boning, so that will be a boning casing for me. Remember, I told you guys this is for an elderly woman, so I don't want anything that will make her uncomfortable. So now that I'm done with the lining piece, I'm going to go ahead. You see the center? See how neat it is? Yes, I love to work with clean finishing. So guys, this is my method, my sewing tips on how I add my bra cups. Guys, you will love it. If you haven't been using it, try it, you'll like it. So I just go ahead and sew round the space for the bra cup and notch it. That way it makes my bra cup sit perfectly. So I'm going to go ahead and attach my bra cup. If you watched in the previous video, I showed you guys how I made this. So if you haven't watched that video, go ahead and watch it and learn how in fact, don't miss any of this particular video. Don't miss any of them. I made them back to back, so just go ahead, and I'm going to drop the link in the description section so you follow how I'm making this. So guys, with this, it's very easy for me to sew along this bra cup. remember I'm still working with the lining piece. Even if, yeah, see how nice this is looking. I'm loving it. Yes, so the next thing is for me to make a channel for my underwire. This time around I'm going to add the underwire to the lining. Before, what I normally do is to add the underwire to my main fabric, but today I'm trying so many new things. So this is the bra wire I'm using. I'm going to insert it here. This is a half underwire, so I'm going to stitch here. Since I started working with this half underwire, I'm loving it. I'm going to stitch it here. For those of us that don't like wires in our bras, this underwire is it. You see, with your underwire, it makes your bra set very well. So I'm going to go over to the main fabric and join this. This is the fabric for the bra cup, for the main fabric. Remember, anyway, when I get to that, you will understand what I mean. On the main fabric, I added the lacing, but this bra cup, I didn't add any lace because I'm going to embellish it. That's why I left it plain like that. Oh my goodness, guys, it's not easy. Sewing a corset is not, no be more, no be beans. Corset, no be person mates. Oh my god, I'm so tired. So guys, that is what I'm trying to tell you. See, the main fabric, I have the lacing, but on the bra cup, I didn't add lace to it because I'm going to embellish it. So I'll go ahead and add sew the main fabric using the same method of sewing the curve and whatever, guys. Oh no. So guys, like I told you that I'm going to try new things. On my yoke, I decided to do the same thing I usually do to my bra cups by sewing it with the sewing allowance all round and giving it a notch. That way I feel it will make my yoke to relax when I'm sewing it with the lining. But this is the first time I'm trying this out. So guys, any mistake I'm making, I will tell you guys any mistake and how I'm going to correct it. The hustle is real, guys. Did you hear those children? With me being tired like this, they want to frustrate me. So guys, I pinned this all around, but I think I shouldn't have pinned it around. I think I should have just pinned it only at the center, because when I got to the other end, I couldn't access it. I had to loosen the pins and left just the one at the center, which came out very nice. I'm so happy I tried this method. If this is the first time coming across my channel, guys, this is not how down I'm usually. I'm always energetic, but today this corset is not easy. So guys, I'm so tired. Don't mind my voice. Please, if this is your first time, consider subscribing and hit the notification bell icon so you don't miss any of my videos. I think I have to stop here for today and continue next time because I'm already so tired. So I give you people a better video. So I think I have to stop here. By the time I'm done joining this front, I will go ahead and iron it again, and I continue on my next video, guys. Bear with me, please. Thank you. See you on my next video, but I'm going to show you how it came out. You see, it came out very nice. I love it.